can almost hear it in the background. Can you hear it? It's going like ding, 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 ding.
You going, like, is the car making a noise? Like, is there a rattle or something? I'm like, fucking you have me going, man.
Hey there, Torq Hub fam. It's Jeff here again with another vlog for the Torq Hub YouTube channel. I'm back here again at Barbagallo Raceway. Not for Power Cruise this time, but for Drift School WA. Can't wait. I've never done drifting before. I've done a little bit of drag racing, a little bit of circuit work, but never been sliding. So cannot wait to meet the guys, see the cars, learn how to slide and have a go. I'll be sure to bring you as much of the action as I can. So let's check it out. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm here with Elena from Drift School WA. Thanks for having me, man. Really appreciate it. So I'm here to have a go at drifting. So how did this come about? Where did you come up with the idea for a drift school?
I've been drifting for 16 years, so at the time before I started it in 2016, I was working for someone like most people do. I wanted to start my own business, and of course I love drifting, so that makes sense. Put two and two together. Yeah. This is what we got here, and mainly because through my whole time of drifting, there was never any place where you could go and sort of give it a go, or without going 100% into it and buying your own car and getting all the licenses. Yeah. So at least people can come to drift school and pay money and just go and have a go, see whether you like it. Yeah. Some skills.
Yeah, wicked. And I've seen out there you've got a good variety of cars as well. Like there's something that they're the kind of cars that anyone can jump in and have a go. They're well set up, and you've got all the instructors there to help us out. So yeah, I mean we've got to have a look at the cars in a minute, but where did you sort of come up with the idea? What makes the cars you were running anyway?
What we wanted to do was to provide a simple formula which anyone can easily get into, because motorsports is a very expensive thing to start, but happens to be that drifting is the cheapest one of the lot. Yeah. So we try and keep it that way so that people can actually enjoy drifting, so that's why we keep our cars simple and maximise drifting by technique. Yeah. So that just makes drifting more enjoyable rather than having to throw money at your car constantly. Yeah. So that's what we work off.
Yeah. And with the driver's briefing and stuff, you basically want to teach the traditional techniques, is that right? Or professional techniques,
things that make the driver actually drive rather than letting the car do all the work. Yeah. Because ultimately that's going to give you the max satisfaction at the end of the day as your progression is going.
Anyone can do the old scanty flick at the roundabout down the road.
So you just stop your right foot and you can make the wheel spin, but to do it with precision and finesse, that's a different thing altogether, which is what we want to try and teach people.
Yeah, cool, man. All right, well we're going to go and check out the cars and have a go. So thanks for having a chat with me, man. Really appreciate it. Can't wait to have a go. So let's check out the cars. good, man. How you doing? That's the way.
James.
Jeff. Nice to meet you, James.
Do you want a demonstration or are you good to go?
No, I'll have a crack. Why not? What's the worst?
Well, what I'll get you do, pull around as soon as he's gone past again.
Yep.
And we'll go to the back pad, get you to show us what you can do first,
sure.
and then I can give you some pointers from there.
Sweet.
So what do you drive normally?
Mighty Isuzu D-Max.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, 4JJ for life. I've got a supercharged 5-litre Commodore ute as well.
Oh yep. So you've been a bit sideways in that before?
Oh, not deliberately.
Yes, off.
Yeah.
All right, show me what you got.
No worries, man.
Faster. Get it right. So that was good. I'll get you to pull up.
Sure.
So what happened there was you actually pulled the handbrake, but you didn't clutch in.
Ah,
So if you
yeah.
take a dead stop and take your foot off the clutch,
Yep.
and just practice going like that.
Yep.
Just a couple of pumps. So as you go up, it's sort of like a cantilever. You want to make sure that as one gets actioned, the other does as well.
Otherwise,
and then,
the wheels are fighting it.
That's it. Yeah, it's trying to push through. And this one doesn't have a drift button, so you got to actually hold the wheel.
Yeah, right
hold
on.
the button, but yeah,
Street car.
yeah, good to go.
Cool, man.
There we go. Nice. So yeah, the knuckles and everything, they're all dead stock. It doesn't have all that much lock, so you found out the limit of what you
Yeah,
can get in
I
there.
went, uh-oh, there's no more.
It's a bloody warm day for it, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. No bueno.
So right, left. Nice. Perfect.
Sweet.
I wanna
Let's have a go.
right, left. Nice.
Bit minis.
Show me your shit.
Alright.
Hey, show me what you learned, Drift King.
I'll show you I'm shit.
Hey?
It's been alright. It's just like, it's been good that I've been in a good mix of cars, but at the same time I haven't got that consistency as well. Like, so But I just came out of a 33, the other one, obviously.
Yeah.
So,
they're similar. These are very similar. Yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
So you should be fine. What you're telling me is you had plenty of practice, so you got no excuses.
Yeah, straight up, man. Yeah, straight up.
Show me your stuff, man.
Right on. Let's do it.
So hand on the handbrake to get ready. Perfect. Turn in. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. Turn in.
Too many powers.
Yeah, got a little bit too happy on the throttle there. That was good, man.
Good start.
Yeah.
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 Could be worse.
That's right. Could be worse. I was expecting worse.
Oh, well, there you go.
All right, mate, when you're ready.
Right on, let's do this. Make it happen, Captain.
That's it. Try and flick out wider.
Yep.
Try and work in on the cone a bit more. Try and go tighter on the cone. There we go. Watch your throttle, Turn in. Watch your throttle. Turn in. Just getting a bit too happy on that throttle on this bit here.
Yeah.
Because the traction does change.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
So you've got to try and feel that out.
Yep.
Obviously, when it gets like grippier, you're gonna have to put more throttle into it. When it's slipperier, you start backing off a bit.
Yeah.
So it's about you then playing with that throttle and doing what you need to do.
Yeah, I'm trying to like get that transition without being stabby, you know?
How about you want to try to do a figure eight?
I can have a crack.
Why not?
Let's see.
You're paying the money.
What's the worst that can happen,
That's
right?
right. You're gonna even crash the car. So
Yeah.
No, you're right. Yeah. So aim for the garages.
Yeah.
Aim for the garage. More. Yeah, flick it now. Clutch. All right. So we'll just pin back there.
Yep.
Go back to the start.
Sure thing.
You know when we flick it here and we handbrake and we're off the throttle and then we catch it and then get on the throttle?
Yeah.
When you transition, you got to do the same.
Yep.
So
With the
when
handbrake as well?
No.
No?
So you're just coming around, brr, 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 and when you flick it, go brr, off.
Yep.
And then once it's the other way, brr,
Catch it.
get back on it.
Right
So once
on.
you've caught it, start getting back into the throttle.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, because just then you stayed on it and that's why we spun.
Yeah.
So do exactly the same, and then so when you're coming around this corner, you got to be aiming for the garages like this,
Yep.
and then transition around.
Right on.
And then when you're coming back around this way, same thing, aim for the garages before you transition back around.
Yep. Okay, cool.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's make it happen.
Come on, show me. I did the theory, now here's the...
Yeah, here's the test.
Turn in more throttle. Oh, that was close, man.
So close.
But you got that transition good.
Yeah, that felt nice.
Didn't
felt
it?
good.
We've got to, give you a good shot on your last go.
We'll have a go, yeah.
Oh.
I can almost hear it in the background. Can you hear it? It's going like ding, 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 ding.
You're going like, is the car making a noise? Like, is there a rattle or something? I'm like, fucking you have me going, man.
Well guys, that is it. I'm done. It is hot. I've had my turn and I've had enough, frankly. It was such a good time though. Big thanks to Ken Leong and all his team there at Driscoll WA. I had the most amazing time. Didn't do as well as I thought I would, but you know what? Racing cars is just like anything else. Everyone thinks they're good at it, but only very few are. So I hope you enjoyed all the footage today. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and we'll be back with another one very shortly. I can see in the camera that I'm so sunburnt. Can't wait to see you on the next one. So until then, we'll catch you around.